there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features the Cottage Wreath stamp set and the Country Wreath dies, as well as the little envelope treat boxes. Now all of these products are actually in the Stampin Up mini catalogue. This is the Cottage Wreath suite, so it's the stamp set, the dies, and this amazing gingham paper. It's on page 59 of this catalogue, the Stampin Up mini catalogue, and the little envelope treat boxes are at the back here, and that's them there, and they are very cute and very simple to put together. So what I've done here is I've just used those Cottage Wreath dies, made a little belly band with the gingham designer series paper, and here's the little box, just opens up like she says, like this, and there is the little treat box inside. It actually comes with these little seals, and I've used it at the back of the little belly band that we've made, so they're really easy to put together. So I'm just going to show you now how I made this, and hopefully you will be inspired to have a go yourself. I've put a list of all the products that I'm using today in the description bar below as well. So let's start with the envelope treat box. So that's how it comes. It's already got the adhesive tape right there, which is great. So let's go ahead and fold and burnish on all of its score lines. It's pretty good size too. Not just for Christmas, obviously. You can use this anytime you like. Why not? It's always a good time to give a treat or a gift. So all of these just fold in and burnish them, and then I'm just going to remove that tape. It's so great having all the tape put on there for you. I mean, just takes all the extra work out. So all you're going to do now is just fold in those tabs to each side, right there, and that one. Come back in like that. That one. No messy glue. All done. And there it is. And then this one is there's a little cut in the box, and that just pops in. Well, this is the way I think it goes together. Maybe it goes the opposite way with it at the front, but I don't think so. And then these fold back into each other. Just loop back in, and there you have it. That's really easy to make, right? Really, really easy to make. Now the little band, the little belly band, I've just grabbed a piece of the gingham paper, which is in that suite. That's it right there. It's the gingham Cottage 12 by 12, all these amazing gingham designs. And I've just cut this one to 7.5 centimeters by 21 centimeters. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap it round. You can use either side. I'm going to go with the smaller gingham design. Just wrapping it round, and I'm just going to gently sort of squeeze it into the sides there to get a little bit of a fold, and then take those out and then burnish them so that they sit nicely around the box. And there's that. It's just going to come around like so. Really easy, right? Really easy. A little bit of tape on here just to close it up. My Stampin' Seal adhesive, and not too tight. You have to be able to get it off, obviously. There you go, it's moving there, and then that little seal at the back, just for a little bit of a flourish, really. It's not holding it down. It's cute though. So that's the envelope treat box made. Now for the decoration, this is the stamp set, and these are the dies. Now there are 2 dies that will cut out this beautiful arrangement here, the smaller one and the larger one. Now I've gone ahead already and cut out the larger one, and I've cut it on the specialty glimmer paper, and this is the name has gone out of my head. The colour has gone out of my head. This is the paper here, and it is the Evening Evergreen. And this one here, and it's great on this glimmer paper. So with the larger of these dies, can you see? Hopefully you can see. It's sort of got, you can pull them apart. So you can sort of fluff them up, if you like, to get that like a little bit of a 3D effect. You can leave them if you prefer. So I've already gone ahead and run that one through my die cutting machine, my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. There's also dies that will cut out this one here, but we'll save that for another time. And the smaller one of the 2 dies, we're going to run that through now. So I'm using Mint Macaron and Blushing Bright, because that's the colour I've used in the paper. So I'm going to use this bow and this one to cut these out. So I'm just going to grab my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, which is probably slightly out of the frame there. Put them both in. Okay. Just run them through. That one moved. Right, and there they are. There we go. Oops. Right, Mint Macaron and Blushing Bride together. Really pretty. I like the Mint Macaron against that glimmer paper, the darker glimmer paper, the Evening Evergreen. So you can leave these little pieces in if you prefer. It looks quite nice with some of them still in there, but I'm choosing to pop them out. Another one there. Can use your I'm using my Take Your Pick tool. Of course it's got the embossing, the brush at the end of it, but I haven't got it on at the moment. You could also use that to get those out. Right, let's go ahead and adhere that now with some glue dots, because that glimmer paper, it really doesn't cope well with any other adhesive I've found. So I'm just going to pop them randomly around here. You won't see them because I'm just sort of folding them over a little bit. And these glue dots are super, super strong. So they will hold that little other little cutout piece, the wreath. Right. And one's still in there, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm just going to pop that down on the top. Just layer it over the top there. There you go. I think that's really pretty. I'm going to pop my Blushing Bride on with also with a glue dot. And it's going onto the side, just on angle. Now I've already gone ahead and stamped out the Merry Christmas on a piece of basic white cardstock, and I've used Real Red as my ink. It's pretty with the glimmer. So there you can just sort of, you know, separate out that back layer with the glimmer paper if you would like to. Now at this point, I'm going to use mini dimensionals actually on the back here to pop this up. Because again, you won't see them. These are really easy to put together. These are all, as you can see, these are very easy to put together. And you can, if you're making a bunch of gifts, you're going to be able to put them together really quickly. And there's minimal amount of stamping with this, just the sentiment. So pop that on there. And I'm going to put a little bit of tape on here, just on the edge. Pop that under. There you go. There is the sentiment. All done. Last but not least, I'm going to use the Real Red rhinestones just for that little pop of colour on the wreath, because why not? We have so many various rhinestones in our wonderful Stampin' Up collection, but because I've used the Real Red in my ink there for my ink, my stamping, that one's not quite straight. Let me just move that one over a little bit. There we go. I really wanted to just carry through that red again. It's not liking me today, is it? Hey, it's all over the place. Come back there. Thank you. Doesn't want to go in that spot where I wanted it. Oh, okay. Let's just get another one. We also have the enamel. If you didn't want to use these dimensionals, we do have the enamel dots, which is actually in the suite. So before I finish this video, I'll go back and show you it. So that's an alternative to these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops. Just put one more on there. There we go. So that's the Real Red rhinestones. And also in the catalogue here in this suite, there is the pearlized enamel effects basic, so that's them there, and they'll give you that same effect as these little dots, these little diamantes obviously, but they take a little while to dry, and I don't have them unfortunately, so that's why they're not on here. So there you have it, cute little gift box using the envelope treat boxes, and this fabulous Cottage Wreath stamp set and dies. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've put a link to all the products that I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary, MERY @gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.